Welcome to another tutorial, and in this tutorial I will be teaching you how you can control a servo motor with a flex sensor, which is the flex sensor basically works like when its resistance goes down, its resistance decreases, and resistance decreases when you flex it or move it. And I will show further functionality in this tutorial. Like we need it, you have to go to this website called tinkercad.com, make an account, and come down to this on the right side, come down to this drop down menu and click on all, and here you have to find out this flex sensor. We have it here, this flex sensor. When you bend it, let me start the simulation. When you try to bend it like this, its resistance will decrease this. So this is how it works. So we are going to use a Arduino Uno or UNO, whatever you like to call it, and I will just bring it in. And next thing that you are going to need is a servo motor, which is right here. Right there. So let me just arrange those components so we can make connections easily, like that. So let me zoom in a little bit. So here we have servo motor, sorry for that, and in this servo motor we have, this is a signal where we will provide a signal, and the servo will rotate, and this is power and ground pin. So ground will goes to GND pin on the Arduino, and this one will goes to 5 volt. I will change its color to red, and this one should be black, and this one is this one is a power pin, and this one is a signal. We will connect the signal wire to the and this one is signal wire. We will connect it to pin 11. Make sure you will connect this servo with PMW pins. This is 11, 10, 9, and 2, 3, 5, and 6. These are the PMW pins. Make sure you have to connect this because we are sending pulse width modulation signal on this pin. So further on this side we have the flex sensor, and further we are also going to need a resistor. Yeah, this one, and this resistor should be its value should be, I don't know why it's not coming. Yeah, its resistance should be 10 kilo ohm, and connect it right here, and connect this pin to the ground terminal. Let me go this way and connect it right there, change its color to black, and this one should goes to A0 and change its color to yellow, and this one goes to 5 pin. I will leave the circuit diagram and the code down in the description. You can go there and download it as always. change its color to red. So now we need a code to drive the same. So let's fix how we have to I will make it more clear so you can understand which wire is going where. Okay, so now we have this code. As you can see, flex pin is connected to A0 and servo is attached to pin 11, and these are the values for the servo position, and from 0 to 180 degree it will rotate. We have delay of 20 milliseconds and it will write the servo position. So this is a simple code, and just copy it and go down to this code menu right here on the upper right corner. Click on this drop down menu and click on text only and continue. Remove the previous code by Control Alt and then press backspace, and now press Control V, or you can click and paste, right click and paste. So this is the circuit, and now we will start the simulation and let's see how it will work. Now the simulation has started. So now I will push this flex sensor and we will see the servo is rotating or not. As you can see, as much as I am rotating, servo is rotating. (180 degree). This is how you can control a servo motor with flex sensor. In the next tutorial, I will use these 5 flex sensors and 5 servos, so you can make a hand gesture control hand robot with it. So keep watching my videos and subscribe my channel. But before going anywhere, I will be controlling an LED with the same setup, but instead of servo I will be using an LED to control its luminance with flex sensor. So I have a code for this as well. Same thing, we have this code right here and same setup. We just have to connect the LED to pin number 8. So let's get started. There we go, we have an LED, yeah, right there. So first we have to remove this servo, and now we will connect this LED with cathode with the ground. Change its color to black, and this one to the pin number 8. And same, we have to change its color. Okay, now I will control the LED with the flex sensor. Copy this code. It will be also given down in the description, so you don't have to worry about it. Go to code, remove the previous code and paste this one and start the simulation. When the simulation starts, I will push this reflex sensor, and the luminance of LED will change. It's illuminating, as you can see. It's changing accordingly. So this is how it works. So I hope you like this tutorial, and keep watching my videos and subscribe to my channel. It will give me more motivation to make further tutorials for you.